What is up, guys? We are here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay where we invited out for a technical preview. Let's go inside and see what's going on.
Get lost in the wonders of nature, where every step brings wild adventure. Climb to new heights, splash in the waters of the rainforest, make new wild friends, discover hidden wonders, and drop in for a new view. Welcome to a world where the wonder and the wild are one. Introducing the all-new Wild Oasis at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay.
As the park president here at Busch Gardens and Adventure Island, and I'm excited to share some big news that reflects our ongoing commitment to creating unforgettable guest experiences. But before we dive into what's next, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the significant investment happening right here at our parks. This year alone, we're investing over $40 million into Busch Gardens Tampa Bay and Adventure Island, enhancing entertainment, dining, and animal experiences for all who visit. If you walked through the park recently, you may have noticed some exciting and reopened things, as well as a few construction walls. Those are just glimpses of the improvements underway to make Busch Gardens the best theme park experience possible. First up, let's talk about our animals. We're proud to introduce our all-new meerkat habitat opening this summer at the edge of Africa. This immersive space will provide an up-close look at one of our most charismatic species and reflects our continued commitment to animal care, education, and conservation. Recently, our mob, or family, of meerkats underwent a routine quarantine exam in our state-of-the-art animal care center, ensuring they're thriving and ready to welcome guests to their new home. Next, we're also excited to announce new dining and drink options across the park. Let's start with some food. Toma at Toma Cafe is opening this weekend, and you're going to get a chance to take a taste while you're here with us this morning. Located right next to Wild Oasis, this vibrant, quick-service restaurant offering a Latin America-inspired menu. Toma was created by Sofia Vergara and her son, Manola Gonzalez Vergara, together with legendary hospitality executive Sam Naziria, to share the best of Latin cuisine with the world. We gave guests a first taste of Toma during Howl-O-Scream in Christmas Town, and now we're excited to have the first brick-and-mortar Toma restaurant right here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Now guests will be able to enjoy the world's most iconic empanadas with a prime view of the park's orangutan habitat, a perfect spot to relax and refuel while enjoying the sights and sounds of the realm. Next, Kaz Bar, our brand new outdoor bar located in Moroccan Village, slated to open this weekend. This vibrant new space invites guests to sip on ice-cold beer and signature cocktails while soaking in the lively atmosphere, making it the perfect spot to relax and recharge. And finally, backed by popular demand, the fan favorite Free Beer returns to Busch Gardens starting May 23rd. Guests 21 and over will be able to sample 1 beer a day, and if you're an annual pass member, you'll be able to sample 2 a day. It's our way of saying cheers to summer and thank you for being part of the Busch Gardens family. These enhancements are just a few of the ways we're working to make every visit more memorable, more refreshing, and more fun than ever before. And the excitement doesn't stop there. Our in-park entertainment is also leveling up in a big way. And to share more about what's coming to our stages and skies this summer, please welcome Vice President of Entertainment, Christine Morgan.
It's truly an exciting time here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, and the excitement is absolutely carrying over to our entertainment offerings, especially as we prepare for one of our most dynamic summer nights yet. This season, we are raising the bar with new high-energy entertainment designed to thrill guests of all ages and keep the fun going well after sundown. We're bringing the indoors right here, indoor action, with our all-new show, Moto Motion. The adrenaline-pumping stunt show blends BMX and motocross tricks with jaw-dropping aerial choreography, creating non-stop excitement from start to finish. It's fast, it's bold, and it's sure to become a must-see experience for thrill seekers and families alike. But instead of me just talking about it, let me show you.
Comes to feel you can either Hello, everybody! I am Ricky Rev here with Wild Oasis Freestyle Showdown. We have a little sneak peek coming up for you, so let's go!
Busch Gardens come alive with an all-new nighttime drone show, Wild Skies. On select nights, this breathtaking production features hundreds of synchronized drones, lighting up the night with stunning visuals, all choreographed to an energetic soundtrack, which is capped off with a spectacular fireworks finale. It's an unforgettable way to end summer nights at the park, and one we know that guests will be talking about all summer long. Now, another new wonderful thing that's happening, not here on our property, but right across the street at Adventure Island, is our all-new Aquaglow event this summer. So Aquaglow will be happening at Adventure Island. It will be starting in June on select evenings from 6 to 11.
I'm excited to share updates around two major attractions coming to the park this summer. First up, let's talk about what's coming back. We're incredibly excited for the reopening of Kumba. Coming this summer. Kumba has been a staple. Kumba fans out there. Kumba has been a staple of Busch Gardens for many years, delivering thrills and excitement for generations of coaster enthusiasts. Whether you're a longtime fan or a first-time rider, Kumba is ready to deliver unforgettable moments, and we'll be sharing more information about the opening date coming soon. Now let's talk about the much-anticipated Wild Oasis at Jungada. Wild Oasis promises unforgettable experiences for the whole family. Within Wild Oasis, guests will embark on an incredible adventure from encountering fascinating new animals to soaring down the all-new Treetop Drop. Families can explore interactive climbing structures, cool off at an immersive splash pad, and designed to ignite curiosity and excitement. Wild Oasis promises an action-packed experience for explorers of all ages. The team has been hard at work, and we're now putting the final touches on what is going to be a truly remarkable experience for families and adventurers alike. Today, as part of this exciting journey, you will have the special opportunity to get a final look at the construction site before Wild Oasis officially opens. It's a rare chance to see all the elements of the realm as it's coming together. We can't wait to share this sneak peek with you as we prepare to debut the realm starting on May 30th and opening to all guests on June 6th. But before we head out onto the site, let's talk about our newest animal ambassadors that will be part of Wild Oasis. Please welcome Kayla Wenzel, Zoological Curator of Wild Oasis and one of our experts in animal care and conservation.
And today I'm excited to share with you some of the updates with our new animal friends. Over the past couple months, we have welcomed multiple animals from other AZA accredited institutions around the country, including capybaras, a giant anteater, squirrel monkeys, and a variety of tropical birds. Just like the meerkats that Jeff mentioned earlier, they all went through a quarantine process to make sure that they didn't have any illnesses or diseases that could be passed on to other animals. That's a pretty standard thing for AZA institutions to go through with these new animals. We want to make sure that every animal we bring in is healthy and every animal that we share with our guests are healthy too. Now, over the next couple weeks, as we lead up to that opening, what's going on with these animals right now, they're still behind the scenes acclimating to their new environments, but they're also acclimating to each other as we introduce them to the variety of species that will eventually call Wild Oasis home. And of course, we're building new relationships with them too. And we can't wait to share those with you also, as we bring these new animals up close to you and to your families. We're so excited to be able to share these animals with you every day, and hopefully they serve as ambassadors to share the story of conservation for South American animals and for other animals around the world.
Alright, so we're going inside the area. Now keep in mind it is still a technical preview, so there's still some stuff that they are setting up. But yeah, here we go inside.
What's next?
Looks a lot different than the last time. Last time, if you guys remember, it was full of dirt and everything, all the construction going on. And I remember that was not being done.
Yeah.
Going up the stairs now. This definitely wasn't done, all this netting. All this nice paint, green, orange. I like the color scheme, very colorful.
It's very, very secure. Yeah. Yeah. I think, yeah, those can go up there with kids. I think we're asking to steal somebody's child. I know, but that was just like a thing.
Over here we got a big bale of bridges. So yeah, that's all rolled up here. And that's pretty cool. Don't really see that too often.
They took the little crawl space out.
And if you remember, this is where the crawl spaces used to be, and now they're removed. So maybe they're gonna put one back, or not sure about the plans for that yet. It's kind of neat. It tells you the paint colors over here. So yellow B2 and then blue B2.
So I can't say that we're not announcing anything today about an interaction program, but I will give you a wink and say that we're always trying.
Yeah, so none of this was added last time. Y'all remember this bottom section was here, but I don't remember it being painted green. But yeah, none of this netting was here. None of these mats were here. And you can see the little paw print details. This looks really cool in here, actually. Definitely something I would have done as a kid. Alright, so the mats that they're adding, cool detail about it is they have little footprints on them. That's really cute. Little details over here that add a little extra something special. Alright, so this is the Treetop Drop ride. Big difference than last time. Nice new paint job. It's just missing the ride vehicle at the bottom. But I'm sure that's off for another paint job. Another bird's eye view at the top, and you guys can see that there's definitely some big changes, way more than last time, so yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna get a tasting of the Toma at Orange Cafe. That is the concept by Sofia Vergara. There's some of the items available at Toma. Chicken croquetas, pollo and salsa verde bowl, sauteed milkshake, and I'm gonna not pronounce the rest to offend anybody. I know some of these, but yeah.
I went there and I got the food, I put it down, and I turned around.
stuff looks really, really good, actually. Very appealing, and they did a great display on it. Just side note. So yeah, here's the entrance to Toma. They got the bowls over here, ingredients. Very cool. You can pick a bunch of different toppings. They got pico, some salsas, guacamole. There's those empanadas. And then they have the refills over here. Screens over here, I'm sure, are going to showcase the menu, of course, as traditional. And yeah, very cool. Alright, and like I said, the menus are going to be showcased on the screens up here. Entrees, barbacoa, pollo and salsa verde, platas, empanadas, croquetas, bebidas, desserts, milkshakes.
Okay, I already have one. Thank you.
And yeah, it's just a sampling today, so hey, you got your empanadas. Very nice. So I had to pay the pink chicken tax. It is really, really hot today, but I know some of you will get really mad at me if I didn't pay the pink chicken tax. Yeah, they look pretty good to me. They're kind of chilling. Yeah, no nothing to report. Oh yeah, this one's walking around. Squawk, squawk. Yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, so that's going to hear from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for the Wild Oasis technical preview. Lots and lots of painting. The netting has gone in for the most part. Treetop Drop has had a major upgrade. The ride vehicle is out right now, but so has gotten for painting. We got to check out the Toma menu, a little sampling of that. So yeah guys, if you like what we do, follow us on our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!